everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel from Eden Farm. My name is Koi.
Naitwa Mwalimu.
And Karibuni. Yep. Here at From Eden Farm, we do integrated farming. That is the combination of
livestock production and crop production.
Yes.
And in crop production, we major in pomology, which is the production of fruits.
Yeah. So today, this video, we are going to look at the orange fruits.
Yeah.
From when it's a seed to a seedling to it growing to a tree to it producing fruit, we are going to take you through. So, Karibuni. So, our dear viewers, before taking you through the process of the planting of these oranges, we are going to tell you the types of oranges that we have here in the farm. So, we have the Washington, we have the Nules.
We also have the Clementine tangerine. We also have the blood orange. We also have the Pixie.
Yes, all these, they follow the same process when it comes to planting, and we are here to show you step by step. And all the seedlings, we have them here in the farm. So if you want the seedlings, kindly call the number that you see on the screen. Here, our viewers, we have our Washington orange. I'm going to get one and cut it. Very juicy, very juicy. Can see it's very juicy. Mwalimu, I'd like to share with you.
Our taste of this. See how sweet they are.
Actually, we are not exaggerating. Please visit our farm and confirm that we aren't exaggerating.
They are growing in a very own soil and they are very sweet.
And this area, don't forget, it's semi-arid. And our dear viewers, if you need the Washington seedlings, we have them readily in our farm. You can call the number that you see on the screen.
Yeah. So here we have the Clementine tangerine. As you can see, mti umebeba.
Kubeba, imebeba.
You can cut one and pluck one. And
this one looks more juicy.
Okay, you can cut this.
And let me have the honors of cutting.
This tree wants to fall on me because of these fruits. Yeah.
Oh, tala!
Tangerine, Clementine. Let me have a taste. Na huku ni laikipia kweli. Unatoa matunda kama hii.
See, Kali. We said if you want to confirm,
you can come.
You can book a visit using the numbers that you see on the screen. Yes. We sell the fruits. We sell the seedlings. They are readily available using the number on the screen. This is the Clementine tangerine. It's
if you want to plant it, we can help you with the process.
Yeah.
We are readily available.
Yeah, you'll come buy the seedlings from us. You will tell us to help you. We'll come readily in your farm and we'll do everything for you.
Yeah. So this is the Nules tangerine. As you can see, have these fruits, and as you can see the shape, they are different from the Clementine tangerine, as you can see from this tree. So we can pluck one and have a taste of this. Yeah.
Here's the knife.
So we have this. It is very soft. So, wow. You can see the inside.
Very juicy.
Wow. So this one is very easy to remove from. Wow. You can see. We have a taste. And they just grow on our soil.
Yeah. In the semi-arid area. If you think we're exaggerating and you want to witness, ama you want to make sure, come. Call the number that you see on the screen. Visit our farm. Also, you can place your order. We have the seedlings for these tangerine. The seedlings. Also call the number that you see on the screen. Yeah.
That number is for everything. Any questions you have, we will answer them using that number. The blood orange, they are very big, as you can see. Can show you this. Though it's not very ripe, but you can see.
Wow, it's red.
It's very red. Yeah. And it is also very juicy, as you can see. Very red.
Very juicy.
Let me have a taste of this.
Also want to taste.
You can have that. Very sweet. If you want to enjoy this.
Mwalimu hata kama umesema it's not that ripe, it's very sweet.
Very sweet.
Just imagine it's not that ripe and it's this sweet. Huh?
Yeah. So if you want to enjoy this, welcome to From Eden Farm.
We have the seedlings, and you can get the seedlings using that number that you see on the screen. Very nutritious. Huh?
No, I want just to eat. This is the Pixie orange. As you can see, the tree is very healthy. Let me search for a fruit. Yeah, I get this one, which is hidden here.
Yeah, it's far.
It is hidden inside the tree, but we can still get it. Wow.
You can see the juice.
This is a very big waste.
It's supposed to go to the stomach. Unfortunately, the earth, Mother Earth, not unfortunately, fortunately, Mother Earth has it.
It has to get it here. Wow. See? Wow. It's got a lot of juice. You can see my hands are wet
Mother
because
Earth.
of the juice.
So let's
test. But we get 100 of these. We'll eat them every day. Very sweet.
very nutritious, very juicy. Yes, if you want to make orange juice, you can get the oranges from us using the number that you see on the screen. Yes, if you want the seedlings, you want the orange, the orange tree in your farm. We have the seedlings. You can call the number on the screen. We have everything. Just call the number on the screen. We got you.
Even if you want the techniques of maintaining this tree, we still have them.
Yeah.
Come.
Just call us. Yeah. Promised you to show you the process of planting the oranges. So we start by digging a 3x2 hole. Others may prefer
a 2x2 hole,
but here at From Eden Farm we prefer a 3x2 hole.
Yeah.
So we'll start by this. Our colleague over here is helping us dig a hole.
And this 3x2 hole is what we prefer because it carries enough food for the plant, even if it grows up. Yeah.
And we are done digging the 3x2 hole. Here it is. Next, we'll take half a debe of manure. Oh, here it is. Half a debe of manure. We are going to mix it with the soil that we have here. We are going to thoroughly mix it. Our colleagues will help us with that.
So this manure is enough for this tree. Even if it goes for even 5 or 10 years, it will be enough. We will just be topping up with manure, but we already have a firm foundation for the tree where it gets its own food.
So we do this to help the microorganisms that are in the soil, to make it less acidic. You can see we haven't used any fertilizers, any chemicals in our soil. Our soil is healthy.
Yeah.
That is, it helps us ensure and help us in our organic farming.
So the soil has been mixed with manure. So the next step is we put some hay or grass or any other material
at the base
of the hole before putting the soil. Okay. So we are just doing this to ensure that our tree doesn't have problems as it grows up. So the next step is we put in the soil now, then we will plant the tree. Can you help us, please?
So the next step, we'll take our seedling, which is here, and we are going to get rid of this plastic paper or nylon paper. Can you help me?
Help you.
So here is our seedling. If you need any of the orange seedlings, we have them readily in our farm. You can call the number that you see on the screen. And our seedling has very healthy fibrous
roots.
Yeah, very healthy fibrous roots.
They are ready to eat, as you can see.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see.
So kama unahitaji, kindly call the number that you see on the screen.
Yeah. So our next step is planting the tree. As you can see, the hole is ready. So this is what we do. Put the tree at the center of the hole. Ensure the tree is upright, is straight. Then we cover it with soil. As you can see, the tree is very upright. We have covered the tree. Yeah.
Next, we're going to pour water.
Water the plant.
Mwalimu, someone may ask, why have we left this space over here? Because there's some space over here. Why haven't we filled the hole to the...
Oh, we are not filling that space because this is a semi-arid area. And in semi-arid areas, we use sunken beds so as to retain a lot of, as much as water as we can for the plant. So this space is for watering the plant. At the same time, is for mulching. So we put our mulching materials over here so that they help us conserve the moisture in the soil. Yeah.
And here is our seedling. So if we want the seedlings again, call the number that is on the screen. If you don't know how to plant them and maybe you need our help, we are here to help you.
Yeah.
We don't leave you hapo tu. So si kununua tu peke yake. Ukihitaji kupandiwa, tunaweza kusaidia. We'll come to your farm and you're going to help you through the process. Just call the number on the screen. Hey, Mwalimu.
Yep.
Why are you cutting the leaves? What are you doing?
I am pruning.
You're cutting the branches.
I am pruning this tree.
Yeah.
You can see it is very bushy.
Yeah.
Inazuia vitu mingi sana kufikia mti. Kama unataka kutumia madawa, haiwezi kufikia mti. Sunlight, unajua mti unahitaji sunlight.
Yes.
Ndio itengeneze chakula. So jua haiwezi kufika huko ndani. Then huko ndani kukiwa na maji mingi kwa hizi majani, ina create fungal diseases for the tree. So I'm doing this to reduce all that.
And how long after how long should one do the pruning?
That one depends the growth of how fast the tree grows.
Yes.
There are some trees that grow very fast. Inaweza fikisha kama miezi 5-6 uone already iko msitu. Ingine inafikisha mwaka mmoja uone iko msitu. So it depends with how fast the tree is growing.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you're doing, and any other kind of maintenance that's done kwa hizi oranges?
Yeah, we also have weeding. Ndio tusaidie mti ipate hiyo chakula yote ambayo tumeiwekea isishare na weeds. Then we also have watering. Watering can be done maybe once a week or once in 2 weeks. Inategemea mahali penye uko. Kama uko kwa dry area, you can be watering it once or twice a week. Yeah.
Yeah. And also tunaona kwa hii farm yetu we don't plant anything in between. Why don't we plant anything huku katikati? Why do we allow the space between this plant, the one plant and another? Why do we allow that?
It is very helpful, especially for these plants. One, there are pests that grow in the materials around the tree. So zikitoka kwa hiyo vitu zimegrow hapa, those weeds, zina climb kwa trees. Ukijaribu kuzicontrol, they go back and hide. Then they will come back. Then number 2, kuna hii chakula. You know, there are some weeds zenye ziko na very long roots. So zina infiltrate the base of the plant. Instead of the plant eating that, hizi weeds ndio zinakula that food.
And also, we have shown our viewers the planting process of the oranges and how long it takes, around 2 years. Yeah. So what's the lifespan? How long should the customer or the farmer enjoy the fruit of the plant? For how long? What's the lifespan?
The orange fruit, let me say, I'm not sure if I should say this, but this tree grows for as long as the farmer wants. So long as you are doing maintenance for the tree, you will eat fruits like forever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you buy our seedlings from Framed, be assured to enjoy a lifetime supply of healthy oranges. We had an amazing day. We have shown our viewers a lot. We can do a brief of what we have done today. Yes?
So we have shown you the seedlings, shown you how to plant. We have shown you the trees, the fruits and everything, how to maintain them. So if you need them, call us using the number.
Yes, if you need the fruits, call. If you need the seedlings, call us. The number is on the screen.
Yeah.
If you need to learn more about farming the oranges or any other plant, call the number that you see on the screen.
You can also follow us on YouTube, WhatsApp, TikTok. We are there.
Yes. And thank you for keeping it tuned. Bye. Till next time.